you're thinking of selling, you're not really sure because of things you've done before and the way you've run it. And I think probably thinking back, probably the Cobra deal is a good example of some of the sort of tough things they had to go through when they got into the world of warranties and things. How do you get a business due diligence ready, and when's the time to do that?
I think, Rick, it's a critical question, but also it's one of those where analysis paralysis can kick in, and doing too much too early can almost be a deterrent to getting things moving in the right direction. An element of the work we do in our foundation phase, or as we sign on a client, is really somewhat a big part of the financial DD that we cover as we analyze your financial statements, management accounts, CRM reports, product listings, etc. Just to gauge, firstly, understand the business and the commercials, but make sure that things are tying up. Things do reconcile between certain key reports and financial statements. So understanding those and the reconciling items is a critical element. And that's work that we do initially as part of our material preparation work, because from our perspective, we also don't want to send out information that's incorrect or effectively not something that an investor could rely on.